This Greater Waco Realty property video is presented by Robin Hartberg. Well-maintained home on large lot with a beautiful lake view. Roof is 3 years old and the HVAC system was upgraded and replaced 6 years ago and is serviced every 6 months. Minutes to Waco but located in Axtell ISD. 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, separate space for office/nursery/library, 2 living areas and large laundry room make this a home with amazing space for the entire family. The large open kitchen has been updated with granite countertops and is open and welcoming. The master bathroom is an oasis with separate sinks and upgraded countertops. The front porch is a super comfortable area to drink coffee and relax. This home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin.